So that is called Taptim Krob. That is also a Thai dessert. Taptim Krob literally translates to red rubies. So by the red rubies we mean this water chestnut. So I'll put it in this for a better visual. So this is water chestnut. We use the tin water chestnut. You can also use fresh water chestnut. So after we've put this in the bowl, we put some crushed ice and then we'll put milk, coconut milk. You will have the recipe of the coconut milk. So we garnish it with sweet jackfruit. And we'll garnish it with a small sprig of mint.